About specific cancers, no? So start with your prostate cancer. So start with the prostate cancer. So na size ko, I'm gonna use 500%. So can make it smaller pa, no? Pag gusto natin mag-shoot ng ganyan, diba? So I can shoot anything there pa. So prostate cancer. So sabi ko nga, this is prostate cancer. So again, it's funny, no? Kasi bakit sabihin lang uli natin, it's the cancer of the prostate. Diba, mukhang tanga lang. Cancer of the prostate, diba? Pang tanga, diba? Prostate, cancer of the prostate. So it's a abnormal cell growth. Siyempre, unfortunately, it happens dun sa prostate ng men, no? So these are prostate, these are for men, no? Kakalimutan, meron lang dito yung boys, no? So men, no? So syempre, sabi natin before that, 'di ba, you have to know so what the function of your prostate is. So mainly, when you talk about the male's prostate, this actually helps or aid. So this aids in the production of the production of your semen, no? So yun siya, semen. Okay, so kasi si prostate is actually the one that produces your seminal fluids, no? The seminal fluids, this one is used by your sperm. Ito yung nourishment nila. This is a nourishment, no, for the sperm. Okay, so nourishment for your sperm. So si seminal fluid, kulang ata. So seminal fluid, so yan. Tapos ano pa, tawag nito, your prostate helps, no, sa during ejaculation. So it propels the sperm, no, out, no? So ejaculation, so it propels, no? Okay, so yun yung word. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Ano lang ako, sa isip na lang. Okay, sa isip na lang ako. So this propels. Then syempre, ano pa, other functions like sa urine function, urine control, ganyan. So urethral passage, so siya yun yung mga ano niya. So other functions be, again, sabi natin urine control, no? Okay, urine control. So last time, 'di ba, told you na the position niyan usually is sabi ko is ang prostate nyo is after, actually nandun lang sa bladder, no? So halimbawa ito yung bladder, this your bladder, tapos yan yung urethra, tapos actually nandito yung prostate nyo. Yan yung prostate. Pero ayan, pinalaki ko lang. Bakit? Pero hindi yan ganun siya kalaki, no? Huwag naman masyadong malaki, para lang you can see it na actually mabilis malaman na nandun actually yung position niya, yung position ng prostate niya. Okay, so what do we need to know when we talk about cancer of the prostate? So it's so easy. So dito, go to the classics, no? So lagi naman ako yan, favorite natin yan. Always go sa top and put on the classic signs, no? Top, so prostate cancer, so KIAT, always on the top, the signs, para again, sabi ko, so you always know the signs first, no? So ito, anong meron? So ang pinaka notables nito would be, syempre ayoko nang sabihin natin notables mo, frequent urination would tell will say so many things about about the person or the condition, no, hindi lang automatic sa cancer ka mo pupunta. Pero what would be talagang defining symptom would be, sabihin na natin there is a blood in the semen, no? There is a blood in the semen. Yan, may dugo. Okay, may dugo. So, yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Blood in the semen. Okay, so, gusto ko i-next na. Syempre, blood in the semen is first. Then, sabihin na natin, meron ka na yan. Ito na yung papasok na sabi natin, frequent urination o yung tinatawag nating urine changes, no? Urine changes. So, pero it's just a frequent urination, no? Frequent urination. So, that's one. I thought IB is awake. I've been charging IB for a little while. Ayaw kasi pang magising. So, ayan. So, dito, ang characteristic nito is mostly frequency nito would be during the night time, no? At night. So, mas tawag nito, nag-iihi sa gabi. So, yung niya, yung urination nyo would or patient with prostate cancer is medyo weak. So mahina yung flow, no? Syempre kung there is a bara, no? If there is a bara or a blockage, no? So you really have a weak flow ng urine nyo. So weak, tapos aside from being weak, interrupted pa yung flow niyan, no? Interrupted ang flow ng urine. Tapos syempre you will have yung difficulty ng starting and stopping, no, yung starting and stopping ng urination nyo. So yan, again, so blood in the urine, blood in the semen. Okay, I mean, so dito pala di ko nalagay semen or urine, so shoot ko dito, or urine will be a sign. Okay, so pain in the back will be a sign also, no? Back pain in the back, hips, or even pelvis, no? So gonna use a blue one, so kasi iba na. So it's actually yung pain. So ang pain niya, so back, pelvis, no? Pelvis, and what you call yung hips. So it's present sa hips, no? So ganyan. So this is unique, no? Especially when you see this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So ano pa? So anyway, so ito, no. So kasi dito ako sa may where I would want to insert, no. So insert out. Sige. So ganito, para it's not difficult, no. Kasi if I go to the causes, no, tapos sasabihin ko ito. So sige. Dito sa side na I'm gonna place yung tinatawag nating cancer, na specific cancers that are tawag nito really linked na highly linked to genetics or hereditary. So gaya ng kwento ko sa inyo nung first part, na sabi nga natin noon, syempre it's not scientific, no. So when old people talk, no, so sabi natin pag may cancer yan, so if someone dies with cancer, then they will say kasi yung lola niyan is or mama niyan died also with cancer, kaya siya din namatay ng cancer. So pero again, so that's actually accurate, no. Pero ito is just yung genetics is just like yung genetics. So saan ko ilalagay? So dito para pantay. So yung actually yung genetics, no. So genetics, okay, so genetics, hereditary, okay, hereditary as a risk, this just accounts for like 5 to 10% ng cancer, no. This accounts ano lang yan, so accounts to 5 to 10% of cancers, no, of all the cancers, no. So syempre low, konti lang, no. So kaya hindi natin pwedeng sabihin it's really genetics, no. So ngayon that we understand it also, already, so ito yung gusto kong sabihin is these are the cancer, no, cancer types of cancers that are heavily linked to genetics, no. Okay, so certain types of cancer, so lagi ko dito, no, types of cancer, no, of cancer link to genetics. Okay, so number one, sige, ang color kaya, sige, let's do with the gray na lang. So kasi dito ba nag-gray ako or blue? I think wala naman, I think blue. Sige, gonna use the blue one. So ano yung mga to, ano yung mga cancer na to, guys? So tag na to, breast, ovarian, and your breast, ovarian, prostate, and your breast, ovarian, prostate, and your pancreatic, yan, pancreatic. Okay, so this is your breast, you have your breast, you have your ovarian, so lagi yan kasi pinagtatapat natin, breast, ovarian. Okay, tapos we have your prostate, we have your sa pancreatic, pancreatic no, pancreatic, or your pancreas. So mayroon specific, no, na cells, no, or yung tinatawag natin na mutations, no. This is yung breast cancer nyo and etc. These are actually heavily linked to whom, no? So it's BRCA1 and BRCA2. So usually you see usually you read it, you have actually read it pero hindi nyo lang pinansin, BRCA1 and 2. So yan yung specific na what you call mutations that they have with the BRCA1 and BRCA2. So ano pang cancer, no, na most related to genetics? So we have your colorectal, yan, colorectal CA, colorectal, you have your uterine, and you have your ovarian. So these are notables, no, ibig sabihin these are the most common, no, and there are other cancer pero this is the most common, colorectal, uterine, and ovarian, no. So see their locations, no, halos magkakatalikuran lang sila, no. So yan. So ano naman yung mutations that they are, yung tinatawag natin yung mutations that they have. So ito yung tinatawag nating Lynch syndrome, yun. Okay, so we have your Lynch syndrome. Okay, so sila yung heavily linked to your Lynch syndrome. So actually, pag sabi nga natin, sabihin natin ano yung Lynch syndrome. So ito is actually, ang problema is kaya syndrome kasi ang definition nito, guys, ito na lang tatandaan nyo. This is hereditary, kasi nga hereditary, pero ang nakalagay kasi yan dyan, guys, is non-polyposis. So pag tinignan, no, 'di ba? It's confusing kasi we all know, no, not all, 'di ba? We all know not all. So anyway, ganun 'yan. So sino ang pwedeng maging risk ng cancer? Yung may presence ng polyps. Ayan, kita nitong word na to. Yan, polyps. Kapag meron yung mga sakit na may polyps sa katawan, then probably, no, there is a chance na may tinatawag tayong it can cause cancer, 'di ba? So tingnan niyo sa GI. So dito yung sino 'yon? yung may polyps would be a perfect example dito is yung IBD nyo. Okay, it's your IBD. Ano yung IBD? Inflammatory bowel, no, disease, no, this is your IBD. So this is your sige, inflammatory, have your inflammatory bowel, no, bowel disease. So sino yun doon sa IBD? Siya si yung Crohn's nyo guys, yung lagi kong, actually hindi naman lagi, pero kasi it's not part of the MS1, so it's MS2. So this is your Crohn's, no, this is your Crohn's, no, Crohn's, yan, Crohn's, and your ulcerative colitis. So yan, so sila is meron tong polyp. So ito can be, or tawag nito, associated to cancer. Ibig sabihin can be, can form cancer, no, can lead to cancer ito. Pero ito, di ba, pag sa non-polyposis, blah blah blah, kaya may eme. Pero dahil nangyayari, so ginawa na lang na yan, Lynch syndrome, non-polyposis, that can actually lead to that actually leads to tinatawag nating cancer. And you know what, so you know what, di ba, si Andrew ilang yan. So Lynch syndrome, 'di ba? Ano to guys? Sobrang link or mataas ang ang chance na you can have colon cancer. Yan, taas ang chance, no. Ito. So lagyan ko tong ganito. Yan. So mataas ang chance ng colorectal cancer. So siya si Lynch syndrome. Okay, so aside from that, that's just your colorectal, pero also your tawag na to, endometrial cancer, no. So you have your endometrial cancer, so huwag kalimutan. Okay, so sulat ko dito, and your endometrial cancer. So then you have your ay nako, yes, I sure nasira ko yung flow nung sulatan ko. So like your BRCA1, your Lynch, no. So meron pa yung brain tumor, head cancer, and your breast cancer, no. So they are also pero dahil pababa na ng pababa, no. So sabi ko dito, lagay ko yung breast again. So you have your breast cancer, okay, you have your breast cancer and your brain cancer or brain tumor, no. So we have that. Okay, so your brain tumor, so ito naman is yung tawag neto, it's your si Jet Li, yan, Jet Li tawag natin dyan, si Jet Li. Okay, so lalakan, so Jet Li, okay, mga yan, kaya yung isa is naalala ko kasi may secret doon. So yung Li-Fraumeni, yan, syndrome. So kasi katunog yan, Li-Fraumeni, bahala na kasi example, sana tama, no. Fraumeni, yan, di nyo maintindihan para hanapin nyo. Okay, so yan, Li-Fraumeni syndrome. Pero again, sabi natin, di naman yan itetest, no. Ang need nyo malaman, these are all genetics, no. Si breast, ovarian, prostate, pancreas, no, colon, you have your uterine, endometrial. Okay, so brain is yes, colon cancer is yes, yan. Okay, so yan. So those are the heavily linked, no, sa genetics na types of cancer. Okay, so yan. Para dito hindi pa ulit-ulit, no. So now, mayroon ba kayo ditong prostate cancer? Yes, definitely yes. Yeah. So see this, prostate cancer. So dito yan. So the causes would be, syempre, that's your genetics, di ba? So kung sinasabi natin, what are the common causes, di ba, of prostate cancer, no? So, ano yung causes nila in men? So, again, so genetics is always, no? Sabi natin kasi this is genetics. It comes to the causes. Okay? So, yun naman yun. Again, sabi natin cancer of the prostate. So, yung causes would be genetics, top of the list. Bakit? Kasi it's genetics, no? Kasama siya doon. So, top of the list. Okay? So, yan yan. So, syempre, again, as you grow old, hindi na yan natin mawawala. Again, yung obesity at the top, ano? So, wag matigas ulo. You have your diet. Again, ulit-ulit. So, this all, again, will go fill your other cancer. So, kaya nga, ginawa natin at the top. So, you have to just analyze one. Okay, remember that for all, then you're already okay, no? So, gaya nga, nung ibang risk would be, syempre, ethnicity, meron bang? Again, meron, pero more on you just remember the black ones, no? So, we have black men more likely prostate cancer. Okay? So, again, so, ayan, hormonal, you have your hormonal changes, you like your some men would be their testosterone. So when it comes to hormone, it's your testosterone. Again, some cancers feed sa androgens. They feed for androgens. So yan yung fuel nila for cancer. Testosterone. Yan. So siya yun, testosterone. Then you have your inflammation. Yan. So kasi bakit inflammation? Syempre, pag nag-inflame yung prostate nyo, so, si prostate naman yan. Si prostate. Inflammation of your prostate. So, ganun yan. No? So, dito, so what do we do about these people? So, sa prostate cancer. So, dito nga, pwede natin i-associate or isama na natin yung testicular cancer. So, pwede naman, why not? Bundat. Kasi again, sama-sama naman sila dyan. Diba? So, again, what are the signs? Go to the top part, the first part. Syempre, again, anemia, blah, 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 weakness, fatigue. Diba? Then, you just go with the, so, again, with the classic. Tapos, sige, I'm gonna put here general signs and symptoms. No? Lalagyan natin yung general, no? I mean, go to. Ganun, lalagyan ko yan. General signs and symptoms of CA, of cancer. So, ibig sabihin, go to. Hindi yun eto. So, you go to. Okay, go to where? Yan. So, ito is different. This is your classic, no? Kaya dito is your classic. No? This is your classic. Okay? Yan yung classic natin. So, ano pa? So, limbawa, magmamagic na naman, lalagyan ko nung guys, nung tawag na to, yung sticky notes. So, yan, so may magic na lumabas na naman. Yan si question natin. So, this is I'm gonna tap it. Bam! So, yan. So, that's the question. Natang-tawa ko dyan. So, okay, come on. So, let's tap it. Bam! Yun. Oh my! Okay, again. Bam! So, a male patient comes to the clinic complaining of general weakness, difficulty urinating, fatigue, pallor, 1 year ago. Then, lab shows RBC of 2.5 million. So, anong ibig sabihin? Dapat you should know, it's actually anemia. So, what question should the nurse ask first? So, when was your last prostate examination? So, yun yung tanong na ito. When was your last prostate examination? Anyway, so dito baka lang makaligtaan ka, no? So again for prostate, no? Prostate. So again which age, no? Sorry again, no? So which age group is at risk ng prostate cancer? So actually it's people with over 50 years old, no? Over 50 years old, your male over 50 years old, no? So ethnicity would be African American again, no? So yun, so family history, so kasi it's linked to genetics, like your hindi like, no, it's your BRCA1 and 2. Tapos ito pa, you know what, so yung tinatawag nating other risk factors would be yung, kaya nga sabi natin dito, diet, kasi they are very high in tinatawag nating red meats, no, they are very high in red meat, no, red meats, no? Sarap pa naman ng steak, no, sarap ng steak, super sarap, as in, promise. Okay. So ayan, so sabi natin how to tawag nito, how to diagnose your patients with prostate cancer. So very easy naman, no, kasi sa it's your it's your DRE, no, DRE, you can do your DRE, pero syempre prostate exam yon. Pero ang gagawin natin, kung ano to this is a physical assessment. Unahin natin yung, unahin natin yung mga wag muna, hindi, may question kasi ako papunta doon, so syempre ayoko baka ma-divulge siya how I say those the words, no. So the diagnostics na lang, so we can do your blood testing, no. We can do blood testing. So what are the diagnostics? Sorry, gonna use black pala. Okay, gonna use black. So what are the, anong size na to? Okay, so always napapalaki. So we go to your diagnostics. So diagnostics and okay. Diagnostics nito, sorry. Okay, nagagalit siya. No, sorry. Okay, move ko na lang siya. No. Yan. Go to your diagnostics. No? Magalit siya. Okay. Go to your diagnostics. Yun talaga. Hindi na siya malagay siguro yung Go to the diagnostics. So, we have your PSA, no? Philippine Statistics Authority. Okay, no, it's your prostate specific antigen. So guys, ito yung these are the ito yung antigen that is present doon sa natin sa bloodstream. Okay, the higher it is, sabi nga natin, okay, tawag nito, this is associated technically with your prostate na. So yun nga, sabi ko nga, 'di ba, prostate specific antigen, this is actually yung tawag dito, this is a protein, no, this is actually a protein, no, that is created by your prostate, no. So what is the significance of this prostate this PSA? This actually helps us detect if the patient has many different problems ng prostate natin. It's either cancer, it's either enlargement, hyperplasia, ganyan. Okay, so pero ito yan ito yung sa takeaway when you say PSA. So sabi natin if elevated, pero actually first thing we'd have to remember that your PSA, no, note natin dito, your PSA increases with age, no. So tandaan niyo yan, always note that PSA normally increases. Okay, so like ganun ang lalagay ko na lang, normally increases with age. Okay, so mind that, no, you have to mind it, no, so remember it. Okay, so ganon. So the usual PSA levels would be, pero this is again good to know, no, pero probably definitely pag sa exams naman is kasi common to tandaan nyo, prostate is very common. So these are one of the cancers that are out there sa board. So ano ibig sabihin, laging meron neto at least 1, 2, 3, 4 questions ganyan meron tayo about prostate cancer. Okay, so actually the normal value would be always laging less than, no? So should be less than 2.5, no? So ibig sabihin this is less than 2.5 for people, no, na 40s, or for men na 40 to 50s ang age, no? And it is less than, it should be less than, sabi ko this is less than, no? So, tama ba yung sinabi ko kanina? So less than 4.5 for men, which is over 60 years old, diba? So ganun yan, no? So ano ba si cancer? Ano ba si cancer? How can you say na it's a cancer? So kapag sabi natin yung sino na yung cancer, so pag sinabi nating prostate cancer, so mataas diyan, no? Mataas diyan sa levels na yan, no? That is worth to look for, to look at, no? So kasi maraming, again, sabi ko, there are many problems kapag you have a PSA that is increased. So associated problems pag you have a increased PSA levels. So pwede yan pwede yan automatic, punta agad tayo ng agad tayo ng prostate cancer. Can say it's prostate cancer. You can say it's a BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, or the enlargement, no? Pwede namang infection lang, prostatitis. So yan siya. And like other factors, sabi ko nga, it's age, no? Okay, exercise, vigorous ejaculation, o baka nagkaroon ng biopsy, 'di ba, na stimulate din during during examinations. Okay, so ganun yun siya. So what are the other, no, what are the technically the other na diagnostics for patients with cancer? So we can do a DRE, no? So we can do DRE, no? So anyway, diagnostics, so we don't do DRE. So wag mo na yan. I mean, shoot muna natin si transrectal ultrasound. Let's do the transrectal ultrasound. So you have your transrectal ultrasound. So yan yun siya, transrectal ultrasound. So syempre, it's the isa sa pinakamaganda. Bakit? So makikita natin kung there is or there are changes doon sa prostate niya, 'di ba? Makikita 'yan no, kung may naka-add-on doon, add-on, kasi bakit, 'di ba? As I told you before, so easy lang ang MS. It's if it's sobra, bawasan; if it's kulang and you dagdagan nyo, then if it's hindi taga dyan, you just remove it. Okay, so ganun yung concept, no? So that's your transrectal ultrasound, no? So no radiation to, no? Non-radiation to. So again, if you're worried about radiation, so this has no radiation, so you don't have to worry about that. So and isa pa would be your DRE, no? Ito na yung DRE natin sinasabi. Ito yung digital rectal examination. So where you can actually check, no, 3 parts. Colon, no? You can check the colon for cancers, any sign of cancer. You can check the prostate for enlargement, and you can check the bladder also. Di ba? Triple whammy. So that's very good. That is a very good tawag na ito. That is a very good examination, kasi again, it's triple whammy. Just do three things in one stone, or in one time. So kaya nga sabi ko, hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. Magic, bang! Okay, it appeared. So question? Okay, a patient is to undergo a digital rectal exam and a blood works. PSA the following day. Which of the two procedures goes first? Okay, so ganun yan. Which goes first? Di pwedeng sabay. So you think is should go first? Okay, so the answer is your prostate specific antigen. So bakit again? So anong rationale with this one? No, why is it yung prostate specific antigen? Okay, kasi if you do DRE, no, it stimulates the your prostate, and it releases more antigens. So tataas yung number ng PSA nyo. So the results might be high, attributed to high, tapos sasabihin natin attributed to cancer, no? Ayun pala hindi, kasi inuna natin si DRE. So PSA goes first para hindi tayo false high yung result ng PSA, then DRE will follow. Okay, so that's the sticky note. Okay, so okay, so when it comes to the tag neto management, okay, so again the top management would always be the top of them all, would always be, sabi nga natin, still the best would be surgery, no? So kasi how do you manage this? Surgery will still be the best, no? How to manage yung management ng cancer. Tama ba yung linya natin? Is it aligned pa din? So ayan, so sige, para pantay-pantay. So okay, sige, so we have your management. Sorry, so it's too huge. Sorry, it's too huge. Again, it's your management. So how do we manage this na? Again, surgery is number 1. Hindi natin siya pagpapalit. Be the good old-fashioned surgery will still be number 1 in the list, no? So pero again, 'di ba, we have your chemo, we have your radiation therapy, depends on the stage, no, especially if you have stage 4 in metastasis, no, in the name of the metastasis, no. So yan, so we use your chemo, no. So we have your surgery. So this is what we call, no, pag surgery, we call nung color, let's use blue, lighter blue. So we have your prostatectomy. That's direct, no? So prostatectomy, so removal of your prostate, no? So that's your prostatectomy. Or we have also a partial lang, no? Partial lang. So itong prostatectomy, open to. Ibig sabihin, cut you open, no? May opening tayo sa may stomach natin, no? Sa may abdomen pala, I mean not the stomach, I'm sorry, no, not the stomach, sa abdomen. There's a opening sa abdomen, then through that opening, so we'll remove the prostate ng patient natin. So removal of your prostate, yan ang ibig sabihin yan, prostatectomy. So again, removal, no, removal. So yan. So ano yung other one is your TURP. Yan, it's your TURP, no? It's your TURP. So again, this is a anong ibig sabihin ng TURP? This is a yan, again natin, transurethral resection. Ayan yung word. You have your resection, resection of the prostate, So see the word resection, nililiitan na lang natin, sabi na lang dyan, this only says section of your prostate, no, section of the prostate, so not the whole prostate itself. So this is done through a done through a little resectoscope. Yan yun. So very little, very thin resectoscope. So saan to? Pinapasok yan, guys, kaya nga yan, transurethral, via your urethra. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan, transurethral. Sabihin, again, via the urethra. So, papasok yung maliit na resectoscope. So, ganun yan. So, may light yan, may ilaw yan. It's light. So, visually, you can see it, no? Tapos, doon sa dulo, meron yung tinatawag na cutting tool, no? Pwede yang magputol sa cutting tool. So, again, so, yun. Tinatanggal, tinitrim, no? Especially yung, yung obstructive na prostate tissue na nag-enlarge that blocks the urethra. So blocks your urine coming out of the bladder, no, that talagang nagpapahirap, no, makes difficult for men to urinate, di ba? So the purpose ng transurethral resection is nung color natin, so let's do let's use the green one. So the purpose of yung TURP natin, so remove, no, so remove yung blockage natin. So ganun ang ginagawa, relieve your blockage, no. So tinatanggal natin, no, so para makawiwi, no. Tapos it treats the BPH, no, kasi kinat nyo yung yung part, no, yung part ng yung part that obstructs, no, so treat the BPH. So yung enlargement, no, hyperplasia, diba? So kasi tinanggalan natin ng section, no. So minsan napapaganda pa, bakit dadamay sino yung bladder stones, diba? Kasi diba nagkakaroon ng passage, no, bladder stones, no. That's very good, diba? So syempre again, yung cancer treatment, diba? Kasi again, this remains to be the top, no, cancer treatment. Okay, so yan ang ibig sabihin, and that is how yung yung tawag natin, your TURP is done. Pero meron pang yan, most important with your TURP, no, ano yung tawag nating most important with your TURP. Okay, so after your TURP, a doctor will order another procedure, pero this is not a surgical procedure anymore, no. So it is actually yung from the complications nung ginawang TURP nung procedure, no, kasi nga ang common side effects that is associated to your TURP would be there will be a presence of a blood sa urine. Bakit? Kasi nga nag-cut sila, so there will be a blood in the urine. Anyway, I'm sorry again kasi hindi ko sinusulat. So sorry. I'm gonna write it. So sa TURP yan, we're talking about your TURP. Okay, so TURP, possible na complication. Okay, so we have your your complication ng TURP would be sabi natin blood in the urine. So yes, okay, so we have your blood in the urine, ano pa ba, pwede tong you have UTIs, no, you can have UTIs. Syempre yung at first, syempre you'll have difficulty urinating, pero again may nagsasagot naman agad yan. So kasi we do this, no, afterwards, no. So yung the doctor would order what procedure, no. So nag-order tayo ng urinary or continuous urinary irrigation. So yun ang ginagawa. Okay, so next niyan, kaya magkasunod-sunod yung procedure na yan, guys. So after your TURP, okay, after the TURP procedure, so you'll do a TURP lang to for the TURP, no, this is not done for prostatectomy. So this is for TURP, no. So nakalagay dito, lalagay natin this is already post TURP, no, post TURP. So post-TURP, yan, mag-order si doctor ng tinatawag nating continuous urinary irrigation, no? So yan, susulat ko dito anong kayang color. So sige, ano na lang, blue na lang, so para ano siya, pareho. So meron tayong gagawin na continuous bladder irrigation. So this is done by us. So we have to know what continuous bladder irrigation is. So yun guys, so ito I'm gonna put it on the next video kasi mahaba na masyado. It will be too long. It's very too long to upload also. So we'll go to the other na video. So lagay ko na lang dito next video tong si continuous bladder, no. So next video, no. So gonna cut it short here now. So thank you very much for listening. So this is actually your prostate cancer, no. So thank you very much.